The Marabu StarLam 1600R makes liquid laminating easier than ever. This video is part 2 of 2 and covers step-by-step instructions for cleaning your StarLam. When the feed roll nears the end, keep tension on the material and turn off the motor switch. Then turn off and lift up the fluid nozzle. Remove excess laminate by running a foam brush or sponge over the full length of the media, left to right, pushing laminate off into the Teflon trough. Next, remove the metering rod by loosening the butterfly screws and place it onto the holders in the wash trough. Make sure there is enough clean water to sufficiently immerse the metering rod, approximately 4 gallons. With the rod immersed, thoroughly wipe it using a sponge to remove the laminate. Light scrubbing may be necessary on the ends. Now that the metering rod is in the wash trough, use a foam brush again to push off any extra laminate. Untape the print from the media core and turn the motor switch on to advance remaining media under the heater to the take-up roll. Note that the end of the media must be held as it passes through to prevent it from falling into the Teflon trough. Once the material has made it through to the back, lift up the heater box and hold the material until the take-up winds it completely. Now turn off the motor switch on the front right panel. Unlock the locking collar and swing out the take-up reel to remove your finished print. Now turn the heater switch off on the front right panel. Once all the remaining laminate has been pumped into the reservoir, disconnect it and pour the contents into its original container. Then, return it into its holder and reconnect the hoses. Next, connect the cleaning hose to the cleaning quick connect on the front. Place the other end of the hose into the Teflon trough and turn on the cleaning switch. Then turn off the cleaning switch and turn on the feed liquid switch to pump water to the reservoir. Once the reservoir is full, open the fluid nozzle valve so that water from the reservoir can empty and clean the line. Once the reservoir is empty, close the fluid nozzle valve and disconnect the hose on the left side. Then open the valve to drain the line completely. Now turn the cleaning switch on to pump water from the wash trough into a waste bucket for disposal. Next, turn off the feed liquid switch and disconnect the reservoir and discard the water in it. Use the cleaning hose to rinse out the reservoir. Then, turn off the cleaning switch and reconnect the reservoir. Turn the fluid nozzle valve off and lift it to the up position. Peel out the laminate film that's dried in the Teflon trough and wipe it down with a clean cloth. The final step is to remove the screen filter and clean with water. Then wipe out the drain and replace it. By combining the versatility of the StarLam 1600R and the performance of ClearShield liquid laminates, you can produce high-quality, durable vehicle graphics, fine art prints, banners, and POP signage, making it the perfect tool for every digital printer from large print houses to small sign shops.